Alrighty guys, so here it is. This is the Ryobi 18 volt pruning chainsaw. It's only a 6-inch. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and then we're gonna go ahead and test it out and try to remove this tree over here. It's already ready to go. You don't have to oil it or nothing like that. Just move your little guard. Here it is. Looks pretty nice. It's actually got some nice weight to it. One thing I should mention, the one I got is just a tool only, which is fine because I already have another Ryobi string trimmer, so you could just remove that battery and go ahead and plug it into this one, and you can go ahead and use it. So there are some options you can do before you purchase this. You can buy the tool only, like I did, or you can buy it with the tool and battery. So let's go ahead and put the battery in it, and we'll go test it out. Okay guys, so since I'm going to be removing this tree, I'm actually just going to be cutting just random little branches, really testing it out. It says on the box it can cut up to 4-inch thick, I believe. So the ones that are higher up, I'm sure I can cut them pretty easy. But once we get lower down, it gets a little thicker. So we'll see if it's able to cut that or not. But first, let's cut these up here and see how it does. Sounds actually pretty good, guys. Before you guys use it, it does have a little safety right here. Press it in, and then you're able to turn it on. Without pressing that, it won't move. Oh yeah guys, this does a really good job, and it's actually pretty fun. So I'm just gonna continue cutting all these branches up here, and then we're gonna really test it out on the bottom base to see if it's able to cut that thick one or not. Alrighty guys, as you guys been seeing, it's cutting this down pretty simple. So we're gonna go a little bit lower, try the thicker stuff, and see how it does there. Alright guys, so that one still did it pretty easy. It took a little bit longer, but I'm talking about like a couple of seconds longer, not much. So now we're getting a little bit thicker, and we're gonna see how it does here. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna go ahead and try to cut this off. Like I said, the box had up to 4 inches. This is It's probably a little thicker than that. I don't know exactly how much, but I'm gonna say roughly about almost 6 or so. But let's give it a shot. Okay guys, so when I first cut the trunk at the bottom, I thought I was recording, but I guess I didn't. So I went ahead and record this again for you guys so you can see how it cut. And it actually did a pretty good job, as you can see. There's a Ryobi in action, and honestly guys, I'm pretty surprised how well this did. I was a little skeptical only because of the size of it and because it was battery powered, but it actually did very well. One downside is well, now I don't have a tree to be using it on, so, but don't worry guys, I'm actually going to be planting another tree. I believe we're going to be planting a crepe myrtle back here, but it's pretty small right now, so this tool would actually come in handy once it gets nice and big and we got to do some pruning on some branches and stuff like that. This tool will come in handy really nicely. But yeah guys, I mean, honestly, if you have some little pruning to do in branches, this is actually a pretty good tool. But I'm also going to be doing some more overseeding in the fall back here. But yeah guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you enjoy this video, and please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.